What's up, guys? Today we're going to be taking a look at the Vac 2 Pro from Yeti. So I've been having a blast with this. This is actually one of my first kind of like smart home appliances, and you can see it retails for $389. If you get the self-emptying station as well too, which I do have, which I'll show you, the self-emptying station is also very cool, and I will go ahead and actually get it as well too, because the vacuum is actually able just to go to it. It's able to empty itself out. And the vacuum bag lasts for like 30 days, so it's very convenient to have as well too. So I really love that. And as you can see, just going over the vacuum real quick, you can see we got camera up front here, power button. The setup process is very easy. You just scan the QR code, extremely easy to do and set up, and just connect to Wi-Fi. So you can see this has a ton of sensors, and it's able to avoid obstacles as well too. So it has a 3D obstacle avoidance, and you can see I've been using it. You can see dust and stuff is in here as well too. You can see we have a manual power on, power off. Here's our Wi-Fi switch, a brush, and then it's able to, like I said, work on carpets, and also it's able to work on, of course, hardwood floors as well too. You can see it's able to sort of get over stuff as well too with these wheels. Here's our brush here as well too. More wheels. And this is where we will actually take off our and put our mopping in there. But I really want to show you guys what the vacuuming looks like, because I think that's one of like the coolest things. All right, so I do want to go over the specs for you guys. So it has 200 to 300 PA. It has mapping system as well too, 3D obstacle avoidance, and then it also has carpet detection, auto boost suction. And then we also have a pretty big battery at 5,200 milliamps with a working time of 220 minutes and 6.5 hours of charging time. And then it does the Amazon Alexa and the Google voice, and then the Yeti app. The Yeti app also very easy to set up here. Love the way the app works. It's very clean as well. We get a ton of settings, and this is where it starts to map out our place. And so the robot can kind of learn it and just sort of keep doing that sort of cycle. So as you can see, I can edit the map. I can do a custom map. It gives me my battery life as well too. You can see the water flow. So when we mop, I'll get into that, and then I'll go ahead and show you guys some footage here. But you can see the speeds of the vacuum, if I wanted to have the max, or if I wanted to just be a little bit quieter as well too. I can adjust the robot's voice as well too. And also, I can also come in here. You can see side brush, main brush, 100%. Also, you want to make sure your software is up to date as well too here. Then you have your cleaning settings as well too. There's a do not disturb mode on here. The auto empty, when enabled, robot will automatically return to the station to empty dust after cleaning. It will take effect after the self-emptying station is installed. And then you have auto boost suction. When enabled in vacuum mode, the robot will automatically activate max vacuum power when detecting carpet as well too. So I definitely want to turn that on, because we definitely want that type of suction for definitely the carpets that I have in my house. So as you guys can see here, just going around the hardwood floor, you guys can see how it's able to avoid obstacles and stuff like that. It even will get to hard to reach places like under the couch and stuff like that. It got a lot of the dust and stuff that most people, you can't fit a normal vacuum under your couch, right? It's hard to get like all the way in there. You have to move the couch. This does a great job, and it just easily just went out under there, cleaned everything up. So that was a really nice. So it can get in places like that, which is just more convenient for the person here. But yeah, it just really just takes one turn and just to map out your place here. And like I said, if it doesn't really get it right, you can always go ahead and start the mapping procedure as well too. So it just has to start from the station, and it'll return automatically after it's complete. And then you can update, like I said, the map environment as well too. It's very easy. Honestly, I just left it on auto, and if you're not tech savvy, it can be a little bit seem like intimidating, but honestly, just leave it. I just left it on auto. I didn't even really, do the mapping thing like that, especially when I went to my parents' place just to test it out. Yeah, I just put the mapping on there and it was fine. I mean, I just let the auto function go and it was fine, guys. So even if you're not tech savvy and you might be a little bit intimidated by all this stuff, it really is just as simple as just letting it go on auto and picking your settings. Now, guys, check this out right here. So this is the self-emptying station, as you can see right here. Boom. That lasts for 30 days, and you also get an extra bag too. Also, so the self-emptying station, very, very cool. So all I have to do is go to my application, and I'll go ahead and just hit the self-emptying button. So it takes about 20 seconds to be able to do that. And yeah, guys, it's very, very cool. And like I said, the robot, it'll just come up to here. This is very easy to assemble. It literally took like 3 screws to put on as well too. It's very easy to assemble, and then it will just come in here, empty itself. So I definitely think the emptying station is definitely worth considering buying. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it. I got more content coming from Yeti. And what did you guys think of the self-vacuuming system, guys? Very cool smart home appliance. Definitely consider it, give it a go, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.